No? You just gotta be careful, okay? You just gotta be careful.
Are there hornets?
I don't know what's in here, Aiden.
You never been here?
No.
I thought it was the same place when I was at Cali.
Go. You good? Aiden, you sure you never been here before?
I only been on another one, but not this one.
Not this one?
On a different one.
Be careful. Aiden is leading the pack. Go. It's all right. That's a fly, little boy.
Okay, I think we can go this way.
Yes, I am. Are we going up? Up.
Okay.
Don't worry, there's a ton of photo ops. You'll get.
I promise I'll do better this time than I did last time.
No, you won't do better.
Wait, let them come down.
Hold me. I've never been on this lake. It's like so green.
Go. Bronco Mark, and Bronco Misha. No, it's good. Oh, just don't look.
No.
Just don't look. Come
I'm
on.
not gonna look.
So come on.
Leave it alone.
Without looking. Don't look. Just go up. Stop. Just don't look, but stop. Nice view. Aiden, watch out. Move to the side so the people can pass. Stay right there, yeah. Just move to the side. Come on. Come on. Go. Just go through.
No!
Go. They're not talking to you. Be careful. You got it?
How would I be dirty like you?
No, you're gonna be dirty like yourself.
No. How you used to be dirty?
I don't like being dirty.
Well, you do now. You heard that many times?
Yes. Another in her hair.
Aiden, you're a pro.
What do you mean I'm a pro?
That means you're a professional. You're a professional hiker. He's scared of heights. So he's just paying attention to the path. Go. Keep going. Go. That's our destination. A little box all the way at the top. That's our destination. Good boy. This way.
I can't take it.
Little boy, come on.
I'm trying to.
Just come down.
Don't touch me. I don't like doing that.
Yeah.
I think we can just slide. Let's see if we can come back.
No. Going around?
One day I'm not gonna
Aiden's trying to go the steep way up.
Okay, how about we just go here? That would be more fun.
You say so, Aiden. As long as it's safe, Aiden, I'll follow you.
We have to take the safe route, all right?
Why do we have to take the safe route?
Because we can't take the danger route.
Look, you're cheap. You have to take the danger route.
How is that being cheap?
That's how to face your fear at the height.
Well, how about you turn around and look down?
No, that's too high.
Well, you're just talking about facing your fears.
No, only when you go in dangerous stuff.
Yeah, so turn around and look down.
Okay, face my fear.
Where you going, dude? Bye. Come on, dude.
We should go. No.
No, the boxes is that way.
Oh,
We're going all the way to the boxes.
why do we
Come
have to go to the top?
Because that's the part of the trail.
Why?
You go all the way to the top.
That's actually not. There's a whole
series of them. There's all the way.
Don't look down, Aiden. Whatever you do.
Yes, Aiden, don't look down. Beautiful.
When we're finished, we're going down.
Yes, we're gonna go up, take pictures, come down.
I can relax.
Yeah.
We're watching a nice movie, and then it can calm me down.
Be careful. My baby's a pro.
Hey, do you know Jurassic World do this? They walk up mountains.
Oh yeah?
How about we can go that? No, that's danger route.
Go that way. That way.
No, this way.
No, this way.
This way. Fine, I'm going this way.
Aiden, you gotta be careful. This way, come on. Okay.
Okay.
She gets hurt, I'm gonna spank you.
Aiden is a big boy, taking a whole separate route by himself. Aiden, come on, get up. Get up. Little boy, get up. Let's go. Stop playing. Hurry up, come on. Yeah, let's take the safe route. Just go slow. That's what you get trying to be a big man. Just go slow. Stoop low. Why would you kick the rock? Stoop low. Yeah, just stoop low. Stoop low, yeah. Walk like a crab. Crab walk it. Oh my gosh, he's gonna be dirty. Crab walk it. Crab walk it. Come on. Just tumble like a rock. Come on. Come on. Come on, I got you. I'm not holding your hand. Give me your wrist. Come on. Come, let's go. All right, cool. Hurry up then. Hurry up then. Look where you're going. There's people in front of you. This way. Come on, this way.
Can't believe I just missed.
What happened to face your fear? Watch out.
There might be booby traps.
Oh, okay. I don't want to get caught in the booby trap.
And don't forget, dogs can bite.
I don't think that was going to bite.
I'm good with dogs, but they like me too much.
They like you too much?
Yeah, take a break out.
Which way?
How about this way?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that way. Okay, that way.
Go.
Sorry.
They like asked the question, but really didn't want
Hold on. Wait, Aiden, wait.
Thank you. Good, Aiden.
Come on,
Even
go.
though that dog just went in my shirt,
It's
he also licked me.
alright.
He also tried to lick my mouth.
It's alright. No, this way. Come on. Here.
Puppy.
Here. Turn around. Why you always look for the steepest route? Something's wrong with you.
Hey. This is like a rock house.
Rock climb.
Yeah. Okay, this way. Is that the stairs?
Yeah. It's almost like stairs, but rocks. Go. Up. 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 Come on. Up. You got this.
My
Up.
eye.
You got this. Here, grab this.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Don't try to put me on blast. That way, up.
I hate that. You guys go.
Okay, come this way, yeah. Go through here.
Yes, I know it. It's this way.
Go, go, go.
I knew this was the same crap.
All right.
Which
So-
way should we go? This one or this?
Here I go this way,
Okay.
but it got some people coming down.
Okay, let's go that way.
No,
Can somebody go with me over there?
no, is this the only way? But we gotta wait for them to come down. So, Aiden, wait,
We have to cool down.
you have to cool down.
Put you on Facebook. Sitting on the
All right, Aiden, you ready to go?
Okay.
Go.
Okay, this is scary.
Take your time. I'll be behind you. Go. Take your time. Come on.
Ow, my leg.
Go, go, go.
The safer we get, the harder we fall. And it's not good to fall.
All right. Yeah, go that way. Go that way to the edge of the wall. You got it? Just hold on. Go. Be careful, dude.
How my hand? Show me.
Go,
I'm scared.
go. Just climb up.
All right.
You got it. Here, take this.
Careful, careful.
All right.
Put it on Facebook.
Say the darnest things.
Put it on YouTube.
Wait, dude, we gotta wait till we get home.
We're just gonna go through the motions first.
Who was this idea?
Patrice.
It's always her idea. Sound like your mom. She gets that a lot from your mom.